Over the last decade or so, there have been advancements in the fight against superbugs. However, we are not even close to winning the battle. Antibiotic resistance is and remains a significant challenge worldwide. The rapid and widespread emergence of CTX-M type extended spectrum beta-lactamases, or ESBLs, is a significant global health concern. CTX-M enzymes are produced by bacteria and can render many commonly used antibiotics ineffective, making infections more difficult to treat. Initially reported in 1989 in Germany, CTX-M beta-lactamases were thought to be uncommon in North America. That's until 2003, when the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention reported detecting CTX-M enzymes in 9 clinical isolates of E. coli from 5 U.S. states. From then, we began to see significant increases in prevalence in the U.S. It has been documented in several recent studies that more than 70% of ESBL-producing bacteria in North America are CTX-M mediated, especially when isolated from clinical settings, such as from blood cultures and urine. While CTX-Ms are widespread across North America, the exact prevalence varies on the location and healthcare setting, since healthcare settings are hotspots for the spread of CTX-Ms. More than 100 variants within the 5 major CTX-M groups are known, with CTX-M variants belonging to groups 1 and 9 being the most widespread. CTX-M enzymes are found in a variety of bacterial species, including E. coli, Klebsiella pneumoniae, and Proteus mirabilis. Healthcare costs associated with ESBL infections are significantly higher compared to infections caused by non-ESBL bacteria, primarily due to the need for more expensive, broad-spectrum antibiotics, longer hospital stays, increased chance of serious side effects, and increased complications arising from these difficult-to-treat resistant infections. The rising prevalence of ESBL-producing bacteria poses a significant challenge to healthcare systems due to the increased cost associated with managing these infections. Factors that include ESBL-related healthcare costs include the site of infection. For example, effective antimicrobial therapy for bloodstream infections caused by ESBL-producing E. coli is associated with longer hospital stays and increased mortality. Other ESBL-related healthcare costs include how quickly the infection is diagnosed and the appropriate treatment is initiated, as well as choosing an appropriate antibiotic based on local resistance patterns. As the rates of prevalence spread, so does the need to increase CTX-M ESBL testing. Detection of ESBL-producing organisms has primarily relied on traditional and/or automated susceptibility testing, MIC and disk diffusion, and molecular techniques like PCR, as well as alternative screening culture media. But now, there's a new FDA-cleared test that can provide results in just 15 minutes. The NG-TEST CTX-M Multi is an FDA-cleared in vitro, rapid, and visual immunoassay for the qualitative detection of CTX-M enzymes, groups 1, 2, 8, 9, and 25, from pure colonies of Enterobacterales suspected of ESBL production when grown on 5% sheep blood agar, MacConkey Agar, or HardyCHROM ESBL agar. This unique lateral flow assay can quickly determine suspect multi-drug resistance, while traditional antimicrobial susceptibility testing is being conducted in cases of suspected infections. Using this tool is quite simple. Once you have an isolated colony, simply dispense 5 drops of extraction buffer into the tube. Touch 3 colonies with a 1 microliter loop and suspend it in the tube. After closing the tube, vortex. Next, dispense the prepared mixture into the sample well labeled S. Read the result at 15 minutes. If two red lines appear, one on the control region and one on the test region, this is a positive result, meaning the sample contains the CTX-M enzyme. If only one red line appears on the control region, this must be interpreted as a negative result. If the control line does not appear, the test result is invalid. Repeat the procedure using a new test. Hardy Diagnostics is the exclusive distributor of the NG-TEST CTX-M Multi in the United States and its territories. CTX-M Multi is just one more innovative product that Hardy Diagnostics offers to diagnose and prevent disease, and most importantly, save lives. For more information regarding this test, including white papers and posters, or to order your free sample, please visit HardyDiagnostics.com.